Hey guys, my name's Pete and welcome to my new channel on XReality Creations. I decided to start a new channel because my other one's going to be on gaming. This is about my own stuff. And I'll be doing reviews on other XR related stuff. So yeah, my first one is MiReSu, Mixed Reality Submarine. So check it out. Part 1 coming up. If you like it, hit subscribe, leave a like, leave some comments, and let me know what I can do better. And I'm hoping you like my new avatar. Cheers. Right, here we are in Gravity Sketch in my workshop. And yeah, apologies guys, like I haven't been making any videos for a while for two reasons. One, I bought a 3D printer, so I've been a bit consumed with that. And two, my graphics card is dying, so I'm going to have to save up for that, hopefully next month. So in the meantime, I've decided to 3D print stuff, and I'm making a submarine. So this is kind of virtual reality and 3D printing. So this is a mixed reality submarine, MiReSu. So basically, it will have a 360 camera in here, which will be streaming to a VR headset, even when it's underwater. We'll go into that in a later episode. But yeah, so I'm going to 3D print all of this, believe it or not, apart from the bits I can't, of course. So let's break this apart into its little bits. So there's lots. So I'm going to 3D print these individually and glue them together. So we've got fuselage, tail, which I'm not very happy about, wings, which are cool. They just hold the engines down, so this thing can actually float on the water as well, so it can travel above the water. Well, it's not really a rudder, it's a keel. The keel, that's going to be full of batteries and ballast and whatnot. And these are the ballast tanks, so these will be blown to be full of air or full of water, so it sinks. And engines, and of course the engines will look nothing like that. Now the main bit is this viewing portal. Now I've actually designed this in another 3D CAD package called FreeCAD, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually a Insta360 in there, so that's going to be providing well, 180 probably, or 360 video. I'll probably replace it with another camera, and that's going to be streaming to the VR headset. So the point is that you're tiny and you're piloting this in an aquarium in mixed reality. So you're looking at the real world while you're in a virtual cockpit, or half of it, and you're actually in a physical thing. So it's not simulated. So yeah, anyway, I'll go into more detail. So the engine bits, they will nothing like this, just like a placeholder really. But that'll be the first thing I will 3D print and actually make real. And then we have the ballast tanks, which I'm kind of working on as well. This kind of viewing hub thing will, in the acrylic tube, will have all the hardware like the control electronics. And look, at this stage I'm looking at a Raspberry Pi Zero W and a couple of Arduinos to drive the motors and the ballast tanks. So anyway, it's all quite exciting, and I'm just making this up as I go along. So in the keel will be full of batteries and ballast. This thing's probably going to weigh a couple of kilos by the time I print it. So it will displace quite a lot of water, so it needs to be neutral buoyancy so the ballast tanks work. And we've got the wings, which makes it look cool but also keep the engines below the water. This thing will actually float around here, so it can travel above the water as well. And the stupid tail, which I hate, that will have pitch control, so this thing can pitch. I may or may not put a rudder in because I can use the engines to turn, because they'll have forward, reverse and speed control. And the fuselage just kind of makes it look cool and hold everything together. This whole thing is going to be double skinned, so this will be waterproof. The engines, like the electric motor and the engines, will be waterproof, but there'll be a skin outside of it which I'm hoping that I can make waterproof as well. So last thing I want is this thing to drown. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think about this project. What am I gonna call it? Project MiReSu or something like that. So the next one will be the engines, which I've actually pretty much got sorted out, except for the skin. So I've made something like this, but for the electric motor and the prop and the gears and everything. It's magnetically, the electric motor is magnetically coupled to the bits, to the prop, and via magnets and cogs. So it's all quite waterproof. Anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to keep making this, leave some comments, leave some likes, and I'll see you guys later in the next episode of Project MiReSu. See you later.